Hello po, magandang araw sa inyo mga Queens Lover. Welcome po sa Queens Lover PH. Ang pag-usapan po natin ngayon ay tungkol sa 2020 5 peso coin, New Generation Currency in GC. Yan po, alamin po natin sa video ito kung magkano na to sa online. Yan po, papakita ko po sa inyo kung magkano na to sa Carousel saka sa Lazada po. Yan po mga Queens Lover. Bago po tayo magpatuloy sa video nito, sa mga bago pa lang sa ating YouTube channel, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-like, mag-subscribe, pakiclick yung notification bell para ma-notify po kayo sa mga value ng mga barya ng aking ina-upload.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Mga Queens Lover, ito po ay nilabas ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas noong December 2019 hanggang 2020. Yan po. Ang hawak po natin ngayon ay 2020. Ito po ay collectible coins. Yan po mga Queens Lover. Alamin natin kung magkano ng halaga nito ngayon sa online. Dito muna tayo sa Lazada. Yan. Ito po yung Lazada. Kita nyo mga Queens Lover. 1,950. Yan, buksan natin. Yan mga Queens Lover. Rare 5 piso, nonagonal year 2020. Details, buksan natin. Yan mga Queens Lover. Kita nyo mga Queens Lover. Yan, zoom natin. Yan, 2020 yung coins nya. 2020. Binibinta niya ng binibenta niya ng 1,950 pesos. Ayan mga Queens Lover. Free shipping with 1,500. Minimum spin from RNX Collector Shop. Ayan, RNX Collector Shop. Ayan mga Queens Lover. 1,950. Rare 5 piso, nonagonal year 2020. Yan, punta tayo dun sa carousel. Yan, carousel. Ito mga Queens Lover, carousel. Yan, binibenta yung coins nya ng 1,700 pesos. Rare 5 piso, nonagonal year 2020. Yan, 1 month ago. By Kevin Campolio 13. Yan, Kevin Campolio 13. Saan natin ito? Yan, 2020 mga Queens Lover. Yan. Binibenta niya ng 1,700 pesos. Yan po mga Queens Lover. Yan mga Queens Lover, may tatlo tayong perasong collection na 5 piso 2020. Yan mga Queens Lover, hanggang dito na lang ang video natin. Sana may napupulot kayong informasyon and idea sa video nito. Yan po. Sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-like, mag-subscribe. Paki-click yung notification bell para ma-notify po kayo sa susunod kong video. Thank you. Bye-bye.